The 2026 Monarch MKV utility electric tractor represents a major step forward in modern agricultural equipment, combining smart technology with clean electric power in a rugged and practical design. From the outside, the tractor features a compact yet strong frame built to handle everyday farm tasks while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. The absence of a traditional exhaust system highlights its fully electric nature, making it environmentally friendly and quieter than diesel tractors. Heavy-duty tires and a four-wheel drive system provide excellent traction on rough terrain, while the utility configuration often includes a front loader attachment for lifting, hauling, and material handling. Sensors and cameras are subtly integrated around the body, supporting advanced safety and autonomous capabilities without compromising durability. Inside the operating area, the Monarch MKV utility focuses on comfort and intelligent control. The layout is simple yet highly functional, with ergonomic steering and responsive controls designed to reduce fatigue during long working hours. A large touchscreen display acts as the command center, offering real-time data such as battery status, field mapping, camera views, and equipment performance. The digital interface allows operators to easily switch between manual driving and autonomous modes, making farm operations more efficient and precise. The design prioritizes ease of use, ensuring that even operators new to electric machinery can quickly adapt. In terms of performance, this electric tractor delivers impressive power for its size, offering up to 70 horsepower peak output and around 40 horsepower continuous power for demanding tasks. The electric motor provides instant torque, which is especially useful for heavy lifting and pulling equipment. One of the biggest advantages is its quiet operation, allowing for early morning or late night work without disturbing nearby areas. The battery can last up to approximately 14 hours depending on workload, and with fast charging capability, it can be fully recharged in about 5 to 6 hours using a high-capacity charger. This makes it convenient for daily use with minimal downtime. Safety is a major highlight of the Monarch MKV utility. The tractor is equipped with a full 360-degree camera system and advanced obstacle detection technology. These features allow the machine to automatically stop if it senses people, animals, or objects in its path, greatly reducing the risk of accidents. The intelligent safety system is especially valuable during autonomous operation, ensuring the tractor can perform tasks while maintaining high levels of protection for workers and surroundings. What truly sets this tractor apart is its combination of electric power and smart automation. It offers driver-optional autonomy, meaning it can complete certain tasks on its own, freeing up time for farmers to focus on other responsibilities. The tractor also acts as a mobile power source, capable of supplying electricity to tools and equipment directly from its battery. This feature can be extremely useful in remote areas where access to power is limited. Additionally, the connected software system allows farmers to monitor performance, manage fleets, and optimize field operations through digital platforms. When it comes to price, the 2026 Monarch MKV utility typically falls in the range of around $98,000 to $100,000 depending on configuration and attachments. While this is higher than many traditional diesel tractors, the lower operating costs, reduced maintenance, and fuel savings can balance the investment over time. For farms focused on sustainability and efficiency, the long-term value can be very appealing. In conclusion, the 2026 Monarch MKV utility electric tractor is a powerful example of how farming technology is evolving. With its modern design, strong performance, advanced safety features, and intelligent automation, it offers a cleaner and smarter alternative to conventional tractors. Although the initial cost is premium, the benefits in efficiency, sustainability, and reduced running expenses make it a strong choice for forward-thinking farmers looking to invest in the future of agriculture.